Hi. So, COVID-19. Yes, we are all full of anxiety about this. Not only we as practitioners, but our clients, our patients as well. My name is Fred Hernandez, and I have a pain management clinic here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. And been dealing with a lot of patients that have a lot of anxiety about COVID. And so, we apply different techniques and it helps. But I took a while back Dr. Bruno Chikly's prenatal reflex classes. And talking with him the other day, he said, listen, Fred, why don't you try this? And a protocol that I developed using 3 reflexes together with Alaya's emotional work, and it's going to work for you really good. So I decided to do it. And especially one patient out of many, but specifically one patient that I want to tell you about, because he was very anxious. I mean, he has a store where he has little gadgets and little cars, and he has a lot of clients coming in nowadays in the pandemic time. And he is blocked off completely, from ceiling to floor with plastic. People don't have any contact with him. He has no contact with them. And so, you can imagine how anxious he is about this, blocking himself completely from the public. And through a hole, in the plastic, he gives them the merchandise and stuff like that. So when he came that day, I told him, I said, hey, listen, I'm going to apply something for you for your anxiety levels. And he said, yeah, please do. So I did the 3 reflexes. It took me a few minutes, just a few minutes. Okay, he went home. The next week, when he came back, we were working, and I remember, oh, wait a moment, I did the reflexes on him. Hey, how you doing? I said, how's your anxiety levels? And his reaction was like this. He was like laying down, and then all of a sudden he goes, you know what? He looks at me, he says, I have not even thought about it this whole week. Really, I haven't it hasn't even affected me this whole week. So he was really surprised because I really tried to think about it. He says, no, I haven't even affected me all this week. So it has helped a bunch of other of my clients, patients, and also on myself. You could do it on yourself, and it also works. So don't miss this opportunity to review those 3 prenatal reflexes this coming seminar, and also Alaya's work together. Okay, so see you there.